Hey, my name's Travis Hill with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. Today I'll be talking with you about your home's thermostat and what you should be setting it to in the wintertime. So your thermostat's a very important part of your home heating and cooling system. While we're operating in the wintertime, it's optimal when you're in the home probably to have it set anywhere from 70 to 73 degrees depending on your comfort. And then while you're away, it's nice to have that ramp down probably to 60, anywhere from 65, 68, depending on how much you want to catch it up. Have that schedule run down, and then probably a few hours before you get home, have that schedule for you to come back home in that 70 to 73 degree range. That way you're coming home to a comfortable house. Running it on a schedule or having control of it while you're away from the house is really convenient and important, because it could save you around 2% per month on your energy costs, which will be a good return on the investment as well, from the standpoint of putting in a low-cost programmable or smart home thermostat. You know, you go on vacation, long trips, you're able to monitor your home, make sure everything's still operating conveniently from the smart home thermostat standpoint. Any issues arise, you can see that right at your fingertips on your phone. When you're on the way home, if you come earlier than you're expecting, you can go ahead and start changing the temperature in the home to balance it, as well as now they can work with your home Google systems, Alexas, and which makes it very convenient from the standpoint of operating it from the comfort of your home, wherever you're at.